people running also, they don't bother us. So we don't bother them.
Phew.
So cute baby. Oh, he tried to push him.
Stop.
Why are you so
I'm
scared?
scared.
Okay.
No, oh, you see, they are following us.
The moment you're so scared, right, they can also feel. Who is this boy scared? Let me follow him.
Right. And there's a big pack of cute monkeys there. Right there. Scratching its neck. Oh shit, there's a big monkey.
Luckily it's on this side, so no worry.
Follow you right now.
There's one following us.
Kitty.
एक बार यहाँ का मुड़िया ना काम चलो इधर
Oh shit.
So,
Don't want to run. That is the adult one. These are all cute ones.
there is alpha. Oh, this is the alpha male.
Huh?
See, this is the alpha male. You look at his hand and body. He's the strong. Every colony has one strong male. Number 1 or number 2.
You should move fast. You want to put me there, is it?
No, no, no.